What's up everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Apple Watch Series 7. And also we'll be discussing the differences between the Apple Watch SE and the Apple Watch Series 7. So let's begin with the video now. Alright, so first things first that we're gonna do in this video is unbox the Apple Watch Series 7 box right here, as you can see. But first I'm gonna show you at the very bottom we're gonna have some specifications for the Apple Watch, for example where it was designed, and also we're gonna have the color of the watch band. So now let's open this box up. Now, the first thing we're going to see right here is the Apple Watch box, so let's take this away and take a look at the Apple Watch band that we have down here. And as I said before, this one is going to be color green, so let's open it up from this side and then from the other as well. And right here we're going to see that we have two different sizes. We're going to have the small to medium, and we're going to have the medium to large, so you can set it up as however you want it. Now let's take a look at the Apple Watch box, so let's open this one up. And the first thing we can see right here is that the Apple Watch comes with one cover to protect it from any harm or any damage. And then here we're going to have the Design by California box that brings usually some instructions as we're already used to. And then at the very bottom we're going to have the charger for our Apple Watch. So let's take the watch out of the case, and what we can tell is that it has a nice build, and take a look at it. This is how it's going to look with the Apple Watch band on. So you may be asking, what are the new features that will make you do that jump from the previous series to the new one? First up, we have the Qwerty Keyboard. The Apple Watch has a new keyboard that takes advantage of its larger screen, which is about 20% bigger than the Series 6, allowing you to type similarly to how you would on a phone. A full-size keyboard means that you're not limited to sending a canned response to a text, scribbling a quick note, or dictating a message, as is the case with the Apple Watch Series 6. You also have a larger screen on the Apple Watch Series 7, which amps up the reading. The Series 7 is Apple's first major redesign since the Series 4 launched in 2018. The new watch comes in 41 and 45mm sizes for the first time, representing a shift away from the 40 and 44mm sizes that were available on the Series 4 through Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 7 screen is about 20% larger than the Series 6 and more than 50% bigger than the Series 3. Next, we have a brighter screen in always-on mode. Apple also updated the Apple Watch display in a different way by making the screen more visible in always-on mode. It's another addition that makes it even faster to get quick bits of information from your watch. The Apple Watch Series 7 screen is up to 70% higher in always-on mode when your wrist is down, according to Apple. However, Apple specifically says that this applies to indoor usage. The Apple Watch Series 7 also charges faster than Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 7's battery lasts as long as the Series 6, but the amount of time it takes to charge your watch has dipped. The Apple Watch Series 7 can charge up to 33% faster than the Apple Watch Series 6 according to Apple. It takes 45 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%. The Apple Watch Series 7 also has a brownier build. Exercise tracking has become one of Apple's biggest area of focus for Apple Watch. The Series 7 is more sustainable for outdoor activity since Apple claims it has more durable build. The Apple Watch Series 7 is rated for IP6X dust resistance and is coated in a crystal cover that Apple says it's 50% thicker than that of the Apple Watch Series 6. Lastly, we're going to have the Apple has the U1 Ultra Wideband chip. Only Apple Watch Series 7 contains the U1 Ultra Wideband chip. Apple says that the U1 on Apple Watch will enable short-range wireless location to support new experiences such as next-generation digital car keys and tracking of AirTags. So pretty much besides that, the other upgraded features are things that you can do in previous series like Series 6, 5, and 4. So now let's talk about the Series SE. Alongside the Apple Watch Series 7, Apple offers the Apple Watch SE, which is a low-cost option that offers many of the same features as the Series 7 but with more affordable price tag. It is, however, lacking some key health functions in order to keep the prices low. Compared to the Series 7, the Apple Watch SE lacks ECG and blood oxygen monitoring support, and it is equipped with an older S5 chip instead of the faster S7 chip. It's also the only available in aluminum and the cheapest and lightest of the Apple Watch casing materials. If we list some of their differences, we have that the SE is only built with aluminum like I just said, while the Series 7 could be aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. The Series SE can be either 44 or 40 millimeters, while the Series 7 can be 45 or 41 millimeters, and the always-on Retina display and IP6X dust resistance, which the SE lacks. Now, those would be one of the main differences between these two, so if you're particularly interested in health tracking, the larger display, fast charging, or simply like a particular casing and color combination, the Apple Watch Series 7 will be the best model for you. Although the Apple Watch SE is now over a year old, if you're on a budget and are not particularly attracted to the additional features of the Series 7, it is still a compelling option. The Apple Watch SE will be the go-to model for many Apple Watch customers due to its competitive pricing and generous feature set, and it may be the best choice for those new to Apple Watch or users who are coming from a Series 3 or older. So if you want to get a hold of the new Apple Series 7, the price varies depending on the material, band, and collection. For example, we have the 41mm, and those, for example, the LTE is $40.99, and then the non-LTE is $3.99, while the 45 aluminum LTE is $5.29, and the non-LTE is $4.29. Now the models that are coming next, they are all LTE, and we have the stainless steel, 41 and 45 millimeters. They are $6.99 and $7.49 respectively. Then we have the 41 and 45 millimeter in titanium, and they are $7.99 and $8.49 respectively. Now for some final thoughts, the Apple Watch Series 7 is Apple's latest smartwatch, featuring a larger always-on Retina display, a more rounded design with a larger casing, improved durability, and faster charging, starting at a price of $3.99. The Apple Watch Series 7 is the newest Apple Watch in Apple's lineup, and it is fairly early in its product cycle. Apple tends to release new Apple Watch models every September, and there are no reasons to suggest that a new Apple Watch Series 8 will not launch this year. But since this is almost 10 months away, now is still a good time to buy the Apple Watch Series 7. While the Apple Watch Series 7 is Apple's most full-featured high-end smartwatch for those who want the features like blood oxygen monitoring, ECG, and always-on display, and more premium finishes, users who are looking for a more affordable option should consider the Apple Watch SE, starting at $279. The Apple Watch SE offers many key Apple Watch features such as an optical heart rate sensor and fall detection, but at a lower price that balances functionality and also affordability. Alright everyone, so that's it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.